Welcome back to Don's Cookbook. Today we're going to be slow cooking a beautiful shoulder of lamb. Start off with 2 carrots, chopped in half. No need to peel them, just wash them and get them straight in. Followed by 2 onions that have been quartered and about half a head of garlic. Followed by about 3 or 4 fresh sprigs of rosemary. A big drizzle of olive oil, about 3 or 4 tablespoons, and some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then give everything a good toss together to coat evenly in the olive oil. Then we're going to want to bunch everything together so we can sit our meat nicely on top. Add 2 more sprigs of rosemary as well as the other head of garlic straight on top. No need to peel the garlic, this is just for flavouring, and these will squeeze right out of the shells if you want to eat them. Another final season of salt, pepper and a hit of olive oil, and then straight on with some foil. Pack this nice and tightly as we want this to retain as much heat as possible and keep everything roasting inside the tray. We're going to cook this in the oven for about 4.5 hours at 160 degrees Celsius, which is 320 Fahrenheit. Next up, onto our side, which is going to be a beautiful potato and carrot mash. Start off by peeling 6 potatoes and 2 or 3 carrots. I like to keep my mashed potatoes quite rustic, not as creamy as some might like, but I think when the lamb is going to be this soft, we want to add that little bit of texture through our side so everything is not just completely soft when we eat it. Chop up your carrots into small pieces and then do all the potatoes in roughly the same size. Remember, this is all going to get boiled, so it doesn't matter how precise you are with your chopping. If you've been enjoying the video, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to be sure you see more videos just like this one. Once you have all that cut up, we're going to want to wash all of the starch off the potatoes, so toss together in a bowl for about 1 to 2 minutes and you'll see all of that just come out. Then we're going to go straight into a pot of cold water, lightly salted, and cook for about 20 minutes over high on the boil. Then simply strain everything straight off, and we're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes before adding back into the pot with a few knobs of unsalted butter, some seasoning, salt, freshly ground black pepper again, and about half a cup of pure cream. Straight in with your potato masher, and we're going to do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. At first it will look quite rough, but after a few minutes it will all start to come together and be very nice and creamy. As I said, I like to keep my potatoes a bit more rustic than most. I don't like it completely creamy, so that's how I do it. Final seasoning, and here we go. Beautiful rustic mashed potatoes with a touch of carrots. A few hours later, our lamb comes out of the oven, and there we are. Beautiful, tender, melt in your mouth lamb. Plated up, a big chunk of meat, one of those carrots, a big scoop of those mashed potatoes, and that's it. Let me know what you think, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.